to the count, set the tempo right. We're talking rotation, not left and right. Name the axis, point where it runs through. How the mass is placed will decide what it can do. Moment of inertia is the rule for a spin. Tells how hard it is to start or stop again. It is not only how much mass you've got, it's where that mass sits, near or far from the spot. To the axis first, center edge or line. Change the axis and the number won't be the same this time. Mass spread wide makes turning slow. Mass tucked in makes spin and go. Pick the axis, check the spread. That's the road you turn and we'll tread. Moment of inertia, hear the beat begin. It's the measure of resistance to a change in spin. Farther off the masses, the harder it will be. Closer in the masses, the faster you'll see. With the same steady torque, small values speed up more. Big values change slowly like a heavy door. Say it clean and clear so the facts stay stored. Kilogram meter squared is the unit we record. Two wheels, same mass, same radius to compare. A ring keeps more at the rim, so it's harder to accelerate there. A solid disc spreads mass toward the middle too. It turns up quicker when the same push is applied to you. Hold the bat near the heavy end, harder to start the swing. Choke up on the handle, easier to do the thing. One object, many values, each tied to an axis you choose. Shift the pivot out from center and the value will increase, no ruse. Add up all the pieces, each distance matters more. Pieces far away count stronger than before. Engineers use tables, rod, ring, sphere, and plate. Pick shape and axis and you'll estimate it great. Inertia, hear the beat begin. It's the measure of resistance to a change in spin. Farther off the masses, the harder it will be. Closer in the masses, the faster you'll see. With the same steady torque, small values speed up more. Big values change slowly like a heavy door. Say it clean and clear so the facts stay stored. Kilogram meter squared is the unit we record. No outside torque, then a key rule applies. Angular momentum stays the same, no surprise. Pull arms in on a spin, value goes down, speed climbs. Stretch arms out, value grows, speed declines. That's not magic, that's rotation done right. Pick the axis, check the spread, and the numbers match the sight. Push near a hinge, and the push feels weak. Push farther from the hinge, and the turn gets sleek. Torque makes the change, and the value sets the rate. Small value, quick change. Big value, you wait. Where's the axis? Mark the line. How's mass placed it? Near or wide? What's the meaning? Hard to change the spin. Everybody understand the spread and let the learning begin. Same mass, new axis. Watch the number rise. Shift from center to an edge. No surprise. Whole object value is the pieces combined. Each piece and its distance. Keep that in mind. Moment of inertia. Lock the knowledge in. It's the measure of resistance to a change in spin. Farther off the masses, the harder it will be. Closer in the masses, the faster you'll see. With you steady torque and you'll set the pace. The value tells how fast the spin will chase. Clear and consistent so the facts stay stored. Kilogram meter squared is the unit we record. Pick the axis, read the spread, name the shape, plan ahead. From wheels to tools to moves you plan.